Sir, anong meron ngayong araw? May ano tayo, di ba? May airborne, may skydiving. Bakit po tayo nagkaroon ng mga ganitong activities?
Itong activity na to is regular activity ng Special Forces Regiment Airborne. Ito yung sinusustain namin yung skills na na-acquire namin bilang kabilang sa Special Forces. So ang makikita mong tumatalon dyan is our forces, mga qualified airborne. Tsaka yung medyo nakikita natin mamaya na square ang gamit are those personnel na nag-elevate ng skills nila at the higher level. Those are skydivers. They can actually jump as high as more than 10,000.
Okay. Lahat po ba ng sir, Special Forces ay marunong tumalon?
Not all regular Special Forces assigned with the regiment now are qualified, but as they stay in the regiment, they will be required to undergo the course. So lahat dapat ng Special Forces is required yan undergo ng airborne.
Ilang araw po itong activity natin, sir?
Supposedly this is a program for 5 days from 8 to 12. But because of yung pangangailangan ng operational situation natin sa building, hindi natuloy nung Monday at saka Monday, and then nag-start lang late afternoon na. Kaya ang nakita natin kahapon may skydivers na.
Sino po mga participants dito, sir?
Participants include yung mga jumpers, yung mga qualified airborne Special Forces. And nakita naman natin as yung mga fans natin, o sabihin natin mga supporters natin, nandito si Mayor ng Tungawan, nandito yung mga media katulad din nyo. And then as we look around, makita natin yung mga tao. I think this is the first time in April.
Okay. First time sa pamumuno ninyo, sir, bilang battalion commander ng 6th Special Forces Battalion.
First time, yeah, because unang-una bago lang kami dito sa area. And maraming nagagalak, nakikita nila may tumatalon. Pero siguraduhin natin, this is a regular program, so it depends on the availability of aircraft. Magagawa namin to quarterly. And upon request ng local government, kung mag-request sila halimbawa na during fiesta, ganyan, we can tap our Philippine Army parachute team.
Pagkatapos ito, sir, ano po yung mga ina-expect natin tapos yung exercises dito?
We expect to attain the objective is ulit yung skills ng tropa natin. Comes to jumping, parachuting. At the same time, hindi lang yung jumpers mismo, pati yung jump master. Kaya nung nakita mo kanina, I had to refresh also yung aking jump master skill. And then yung mga skydivers na.
Bale, estimated ilang tao po yung nag-participate sa skydiving at sa airborne jump?
Sa skydiving, we expect more than 20 sa organic personnel. And then sa airborne, sa sinasabi namin static jump is more or less 150 coming from the different units, the battalion, 4 companies. Saka may iba nang galing sa Basilan, sa 40th Battalion.
Okay. Yung 4th SF, sir,
airborne unit din.
Airborne unit. Kayo po yung dalawang batalyon.
Dalawang batalyon din sa Zamboanga Peninsula, Basilan.
Okay,
and parang may nakikita ako, may sasali din tayo ng mga kaibigan na skydivers na mga civilian. So we are just getting clearance.
Civilian?
Bali talaga yun?
Nandun sa
Sir,
Belgium National.
Okay, Belgium National.
But they are already jumping with us ever since. Mga friends na sila ng ating mga skydiver team, Philippine Army skydiver team, or parachute.
Bukod dyan, sir, do you have something to say? Final statement po.
I hope we brought some joy sa mga taga-Sibugay, sa Peninsula. This is not a matter of showing a force, but sustaining our skills and providing also some entertainment sa ating mga constituents dito sa Zamboanga.
Okay, sir, yun lang po. Thank you po.